Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss delegations of authority. An individual is only one main power. Single-handedly, he can accomplish only a few works in a day. The only way he can achieve more is through delegations, through dividing his load and sharing his responsibility with others probably. The most important of all the skills a manager must possess a delegations the ability to get results through others. It involves the transfer of responsibilities and decision making powers from one individual to another within an organization. Effective delegations is not merely a task assignment, it's a strategic tools that can enhance productivity, foster teamwork and promote professional development. In the video, we will explore the importance of delegation, its benefit, challenge and best practice for implementing it successfully. The importance of delegation, efficiency and productivity. Delegating tasks allows leaders to concentrate it on high priority activities that requires their specific skills and expertise. By distributing responsibilities, teams can work more efficiently, leading to increased productivity. Skills development. Delegations provides opportunities for team members to enhance their skills and gain valuable experience. Empowering individual with decision making authority helps them grow and develop professionally. Team empowerment. Delegating authority fosters ERS, a sense of ownership among team members. When individuals are assigned responsibilities, they feel valued and motivated to contribute actively to the organization's success. Risk management. Distributing authority across a team ensure that decision making is not concentrated on a single individual. This mitigates the risk associated with potential error and allows for a more resilient and adaptive principles. Organization. Let's discuss the principle of delegations of authority. One party between authority and responsibility. There should be completed parity between authority and responsibility. If authority is more than responsibility, people will misuse their authority, and if responsibility is more than authority, the result can never be achieved. Second, responsibility. In terms of result, responsibility should be specific to a specific person because everybody responsibility is nobody responsibility. Third, principle of unity of command. To avoid confusion, conflict and duplication of work within instruction and guidelines should flow at a subordinate from a single particular executive only. 4. Delegations of responsibility. Authority can be delegated, but responsibility and accountability cannot be delegated by delegating authority. An executive does not escape from responsibility. He is in addition reps responsible for the acts of his subordinate as well. 5. Overlapping of responsibilities. While delegating authority is must be ensured that the duties and responsibility of subordinate do not overlap. If you find the video helpful, please like it. That will be helpful for this challenge channel. Now move on the challenge in delegations. Fear for losing control. Leaders may hesitate to delegate due to a fear of losing control. However, effective delegations is not about relinquishing control, about entrusting responsibility to capable individual. Lack of communications. Inadequate communications can lead to misunderstanding and emphasis. Clear communications of expectations, timelines and desired outcomes is crucial for successful delegations. Inadequate training. Delegations without providing the necessary training and resources can set individuals up for failure. Leaders must ensure that team members have the skills and knowledge required to fulfill their delegated responsibility. Micromanagement. tendencies, some leaders struggles to strike a balance between overlapping task and micromanaging. It's essential to trust the capabilities of team and allow them the autonomy to carry out delegated best practices. Task best practice for effective delegations clearly defines roles and responsibilities, provide a clear understanding for the task exceptions and outcomes associated with the delegated authority. This ensure that everyone is on the same page and reduce the likelihood of misunderstanding. Select the right persons, match task with team members skills, strength and interest. Choosing the right persons for the job increase the likelihood of success and enhance job satisfaction. Establish open communications channel foster an environment where team members feel comfortable asking questions and seeking clarification. Open communication is essential for addressing concerns and ensuring that delegated task progress smoothly. Provide adequate training and resources invent in the training and development of team members to equip them with the necessary skills and knowledge. Ensure that they have access to the resources required to fulfill their delegated responsibility. Encourage feedback, establish a feedback loop to allow team members to share their experience and provide input on the delegation process. This help leaders refine their approach and continuously improve the delegations process. Like the video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.